Hello and welcome back to Penny Play. Today, Penny Play has some visitors and a lovely new game. We've got Bluey, hello Bluey, and we've got Bingo, hello Bingo, and we've got Bluey and Bingo's dad too. Penny Play and Bluey and Bingo's dad are going to watch us play this lovely new game that Bluey and Bingo brought for us. Let's have a look what it is. It's a Bluey Good Times wooden game set. It's 2 board games in one. We've got a tic-tac-toe game and we've got a snakes and ladders game. And it looks like Dad and Mom and Bluey and Bingo can all play. So 4 players can play at the same time. Shall we open it up and have a look what it looks like? Yes? That will be fun. It's quite a big box. And look what's inside. We've got the instructions. It says for 1 to 4 players on that side and for 2 players on this side for this game. Okay, what's inside? Let's have a look. Open this packet. And let's see what we've got. These look like all of the counters for tic-tac-toe. These are bingo counters. I've got a picture of Bingo and then Bingo's name on the other side. We've got 3 of those so far. Looks like we've got some more here. Let's open these ones. They're really sturdy. They're made of really good wood. There's Bluey and Bluey's name on the other side. We've got 3 of those. We've got some more here. Open these up. We've got 2 more Bluey ones. So all together we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bluey counters. Let's open this one up. How many have we got? 2 more bingo counters. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bingo counters. Let's have a look what else we've got here. This looks like for the snakes and ladders game. We've got Bluey and we've got Bingo. Those are our little characters, like we can use counters to go around the board. And these are the bigger ones. What have we got here? We've got Mom and we've got Dad. So we've got all 4 members of the family. I wonder what's in here. What else do we need for a game of snakes and ladders? It's a dice. And it's got all the numbers with dots from 1 to 6. Okay, we're going to move this to one side so we can see the board. And we'll move these counters. And let's see what else we've got. This is a really sturdy game. Okay, so this is the tic-tac-toe, which some people just call 3 in a line. And then when we turn it over, we've got this beautiful, very colourful snakes and ladders set. Isn't this good? Let's move the box to one side so we can have a proper look. And we've got plenty of space. Okay. Bluey and Bingo, do you want us to play tic-tac-toe or do you want us to play snakes and ladders? Have a think. You want us to play snakes and ladders first? You do. Okay, let's play that game first. And we'll move these other things to one side. Okay, so I think we'll just have 2 people playing today. We'll have Bingo and we'll have Bluey. Okay, we're going to start here. Move these over here. And we have to roll the dice and then take it in turns. Do you know how to play snakes and ladders? If you land on a ladder at the bottom, you go up the ladder. If you land on a snake at the top where the tongue is, you go down the snake. And the object of the game is to start at the beginning and get all the way to finish. Okay, if you roll a 6, you get another go. Are we ready to start? We are. Let's get a move on there. Okay, so Bingo, you're first. And you got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get another go because you got a 6. 2, 1, 2. You're on number 8. We're on the bottom of the snakes. That's okay. We can just stay there. Okay, you're going to stay there. Bluey, your go. Sorry, Bingo, your go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Bingo, your go. Another 6. You're very lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get another go because you had a 6. 1. Oh, 1. Up that way. It's easy to forget which way we're going. 1, number 15. Doing well. Bingo. 1. You jumped there to number 5 and look, you're on the bottom of a ladder, so you go all the way up to number 20. Well done you. Bingo, your go. 5. Let's make sure we're going the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on the same number. Okay, Bingo. 1. Bluey. Oh, Bluey got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bingo. You got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You keep landing on the same space. You're very lucky. Bluey. 3. 1, 2, 3. We're already at the top of the ladder, so we don't move any extra places. Bingo. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've landed at the bottom of the ladder, so you jump all the way up to number 44. You're doing really well. Are you enjoying this game, you two? You are. I'm pleased about that. Let's carry on. Bingo, your go. Sorry, Bluey, your go. 1. We're on 28, so we jump to 29. You're going up the ladder as well. You two are so lucky. Okay, Bingo, your go. 1. You go to 45. Bluey. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was very lucky. Just missed that long snake. If you'd have landed on that one, you'd have gone all the way down to 19. Okay, Bingo. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 or more to win. Let's see what you're going to get. 1. You're on 46. Okay, Bluey, you think you might win this, okay? You need just 1 or more. 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done you. You won that game, Bluey, didn't you? You did really well. Let's give him another cheer and a clap. Are we ready to play the next game? We are. Okay, let's put these pieces to one side. Turn the board over and we're going to play tic-tac-toe. So Bingo, there's all your counters. How many did we say we had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Bluey, here's your counters. How many have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who wants to go first? An easy way of working out who goes first is to roll the dice and see who gets the highest number. Whoever gets the highest number goes first. Okay, Bingo, you'll go first. Oh, that didn't go flat, so we have to roll it again. 1. Okay, so you've got 1. Okay, so if Bluey gets more than 1, he goes first. Is that okay? 6. You're very lucky with your 6s, aren't you? It looks like Bluey's going first. Okay, Bluey, where do you want to go? Want to go there? Bingo. Going to block him there. Bluey. You're going to go there. Bingo. Can you see he's got 2 in a row? You need to block that. Well done, you. Aren't we doing well? Okay, Bluey, you'll go. You're going to block Bingo there to stop him going that diagonal one. Okay. Bingo, you'll go. You're going to go there. Okay. Bluey, you'll go. Bluey's going to go there. And you got 3 in a row. Well done you. Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. You won that game. You did really well. Let's give him another big clap. Do you want to have another go so that Bingo can have a chance of winning as well? That would be fair, wouldn't it? Okay, let's take these off and let's have one more go. Okay, Bingo, because you didn't go first last time, you can go first this time, okay? You ready? Going to go there. Bluey's going to go there. Bingo is going to go there. Bluey's going to block her by going there. Bingo's going to go there. Bluey's going to go there. Bingo's going to go here. Well done you! Bingo, you won! You got 3 in a row. Let's give them a clap. So you got 1 win each. You did really well. Did you enjoy that? I did too. This is a really good set, isn't it? It's good that there's 2 games in one. There's snakes and ladders and there's tic-tac-toe. I really enjoyed the new game we had today, and so did Penny Play and Bingo and Bluey's Daddy too, didn't you? Come back soon for more learning fun at Penny Play. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, everyone.